Hey everybody, David Likens here. Gonna do a quick video on this Paddle King 2017 floor plan number 1 option. I know you've seen several of these before, but it's got the two bench seats on them. We're actually getting ready to do a complete modification on this, and we're going to remove the seats on the front here, put 4 captain's chairs. Going to take the live well out from underneath this side here, which is your port side, and we're going to redo the transom area and actually put the live well in back. So I just wanted to do kind of a part 1 of this, just to let you take a look at what it looks like before. Again, standard fishing rod holders in the corner. Our live well, we're going to put a 24 volt motor guide motor up here up front. Again, this is our duck blind Mossy yoke boat that we've done. It's going to go to a new home here. So again, this is just part 1. Just wanted to give you kind of a quick look of what this thing looks like now, and then we'll follow it up here shortly with a finished, wrapped up video. So thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe to us, or any questions at all that you have for us, please just let us know. Thanks again. Hey, sorry about that brief wait. We finally finished up this 2017 Paddle King Low Pro Cruiser fishing pontoon boat. The first part of that video, like I was showing you, was the factory setup for this specific customer. I'm just going to show you kind of the wrap up of everything that we ended up doing to this boat. It is going in just a private pond, so the optional trailer here is not going with it. But as you can see, we did put on the matte Mossy oak duck blind vinyl, which was on the boat before. We did add this motor guide 24 volt foot controlled and hand controlled wireless trolling motor. As you can see, we did put a quick disconnect mount on there. Motor guide does not come standard on this model, on this Xi5 model, with a quick disconnect plate. So we actually got the quick disconnect plate. That way you can disconnect your battery, unplug it there, and that motor is removable then to take with you and keep up in storage. Now, as you can tell on the inside, it's a lot different. We actually went with 4 base plates and 3 swivel seats here. We removed the live well, which was on the port side here, and then also the storage box. So basically it's got just a really nice large fishing platform. Show you a few of the other things here. So again, we left the standard cup holder, rod holder in the corner on the front port side. On this one, we actually mounted and utilized that cup holder to mount the GPS fish finder piece there. It swivels a little bit and actually rotates up and down. We were going to mount it up here on the handrail, but we realized once you had that front seat in there, whenever you're turning around and that trolling motor is actually up in that operating position, just a little bit tight, so we actually utilized that space right there. Gave it a nice clean install, as you can see, but we did then add a secondary rod holder here in the back for the customer. But as you can see, this boat does have 3 swivel seats in it, with plenty of room, as you can see. So that way, if you're fishing on any direction, and then whenever all the seats are up, if for some reason you did have 3 of your buddies in here fishing, plenty of room, no one's running into each other, and plenty of space to walk around. We did add a 12 volt power charge port on the rear of each side here. Fire extinguisher, as you can see. And the other kind of cool feature is we removed that live well and made a custom plate here using the bench seat. I flipped this up. There's our Bimini boot top and storage for the now transom mounted live well. I'll give you a look at that on the outside, but as you can see, it's all the same vinyl on the top. Live well switches, mooring light switches. Again, there's our added fishing rod holder that we put in. It's gonna be a neat boat, just for a fishing vessel for sure. So again, as we come out of the gate there, we did use black nylon boat cleats. Just want to give you a quick look at the back. Again, this is a 2017 model. We utilized the live well pump housing and protector there for the sonar for that Lawrence fish finder, depth finder. Wired it up in there, but as you can see, a nice clean install for your live well. There's the plug for the 2-bank digital charger, and as you flip the seats up here, there's your bank charger, 27 series batteries in there, and then here on the other side, again, just nice and neat, utilizing the Deep Cycle series battery cases by Interstate. Again, great boat. As you can see, it's got 5 12-inch diameter pontoons under it. Again, the boat only weighs 690 pounds, so that 80 foot-pound 24-volt trolling motor that's mounted on this thing is going to be more than enough to move anybody around on this boat. Again, this is David Likens. Thank you for watching. All of the build specs and stuff like that will be in the comments below. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We do have the ability to build and ship these boats anywhere in the United States, and obviously, as you can see, every one that we do is very specific to every one of our customers. So we'll be more than glad to build you your own custom low pro cruiser, angler, or if simply you just need a floating dock or paddle king boat, we can kind of do a little bit of everything for you guys. Again, thanks for watching. Again, if you have any questions, our contact name and email is below, so feel free to reach out to us or ask us any questions that you have. Thanks again.